In this video, I will show you how to disable double-click to install iPhone. Many people find it annoying to double-click every time they want to download an app. It can feel like an extra step that slows you down. Luckily, there is a way to turn this feature off and make installing apps easier. First, locate and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once in Settings, scroll all the way down until you see Screen Time. Tap on it. In the Screen Time menu, look for Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap on it. Now, tap on iTunes and App Store Purchases. In this menu, find the Require Password section. Change this setting to Always Require. This means that every time an app is downloaded or purchased, a password will be necessary. If you have set a screen time passcode previously, enter it now when prompted. After making these changes, return to the main settings page. Next up is configuring Face ID or passcode settings. Tap on Face ID and passcode. Here, look for an option labeled iTunes and App Store. You'll want to toggle off the switch next to it. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully disabled the double-click feature for installing apps on your iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.